This is bismuth, and bismuth is something that is found in the nature. And we use this to plug our wells.
Here on Maersk Miswell, the Valhall Field Center in the North Sea, we are on the final stage of permanently plugging old wells. In this plugging campaign, we are using bismuth instead of conventional cement. These operations are unique. It is the first time in the world that bismuth plugs of this size, up to 30 inch, are used in plugging operations.
On Valhall, we are placing a bismuth plug as the top plug in every well. That means we will install a bismuth plug that weighs close to 16 tons to isolate for any migration of hydrocarbons or gas from within the wellbore. Basically, we are putting the cork back in the champagne bottle.
Normally we'll be using cement, but in the particular conditions we're dealing with, we found that it's not the best material for this purpose. So we look at bismuth because bismuth actually addresses all the shortcomings of cement. You know, it transitions from liquid to solid immediately, is completely impermeable, and it's not subject to contamination. So it means that in the long term, we're a lot less likely to have gas migration and therefore gas bubbles in our wellbores after we're done with P&A operations.
We're here at the Maersk Invincible, and we're setting plugs for Aker BP on a P&A campaign. So the way that these are designed and made is has a starter at the top, which is placed into a heater. The heater runs from the top all the way to the bottom. It's a chemical reaction, it's a thermite heater, and around the heater we cast a bismuth-based alloy, which has a melting point of 138 degrees Celsius. These are ball drop initiated, and then we pressure up and activate that. That fires a shooting voltage down into the starter in the top of the tool. That initiates the chemical reaction with the thermite. The heater will then heat up to 1500 degrees Celsius and will melt from the top to bottom all of the bismuth-based alloy. It will form a pool at the bottom of the heater, and that will reach temperatures of around about 250 degrees Celsius. It has a viscosity very similar to water, so it will flow into all your cracks and it will block any potential gas leaks or paths of gas.
We're very proud. The operation has gone beyond expectations. We planned and hoped for 72 hours per installation. We're down to 33 hours per installation just now.
On Valhall, we have produced 1 billion barrels of oil so far. We have plans to produce another billion barrels of oil. To reach that goal, we need to plug some of the 40-year-old wells to drill new wells. It's really important for Aker BP that we can plug these wells so there's no leakage, because we're going to be working out there and we are going to be safe. And we are using the best technology that we know of to do just that. That's the bismuth plug.